So people, hi, this is Matt, the guy that did that auto air control valve video. If you like that, you're gonna like this. Uh, the military said adapt and overcome, and I don't know, do my dad real quick. Anyway, so this is my '99 Toyota Corolla, the first Toyota. I'm loving it. You see, I did a cold air, and then I put on there. I might actually put an electric turbo. I might actually put an actual turbo, but I designed my own turbocharger with a rider meter. It's gonna attach the throttle body, but that's not the issue today. I was forced into a snowbank by some asshole guy in a truck, and then at least he stopped to say I was okay, but you know, tailgating in a blizzard was retarded. This is a front wheel drive, little sporty car, if you would. It's not like, you know, a Subaru or a pickup truck. Anyway, so this is my belt tensioner. It's hydraulic, okay? And I guess snow got in there. It was kind of messed up. It's always 99 anyway, I guess. Yeah, when the snowbank got inside there, it forced it to its relaxed mode. See, I can actually have some tension on there. I was wondering why my heat went up, my temperature went up, and my battery was dying out. It was a belt. It was almost in, I'm falling off. I just made it home. I drive from Memphis to the Cape, so it was ridiculous. They're probably gonna change this alternator soon, which is bad. Too bad, because I have another one in my other car that I just bought that's burned out. But so what I did here, because he keeps wanting to relax, actually bent the hell out of a crowbar. I was using my wood splitter pipe. Someone else started. I bent the hell out of this crowbar. It's a lot of weight on this engine. I'm only 140 pounds soaking wet, I think. Cat gloves here. So what I do to keep it from going down, I look like I need to clean this off. There's another simple fix right there. Oh wow, really? Hold up. Ain't that a bitch? Alright, a lot of times these hose clamps get worn out. So you want to clean them out first. Either replace the hose or replace the hose clamp, or both. Simple fix. Not really stressed about. You really don't need power steering at high speeds anyway. Damn, it's already 7:30 minutes, right? 2 minutes going through. 2:13. Alright. I'll make this quick. So I put a 19mm wrench. I wanted a box in, but I had the 12 point. Banged it on there after I got the little point back here. I was bending it, pushing it up, taking the tension off. And I secured it. It's going to bounce a little bit. It's just proper because it needs to bounce a little. Also with a motor mount, so it should bounce with that as well. I secured it with 2 hose clamps. Then I got a 7 or 8mm nut on there. Turned it in place. Put it in one around this part of the motor mount, and one around the motor mount, and the part that goes around the alternator. And she will fire up. But I want to see, it might take a little while though, I want to see that alternator belt going on. What I don't want to see is my temperature going up, and I don't want to see I want to see my alternator symbol, my battery symbol disappear. Then I know I did an alright job. This is a temporary fix. This is really, really cold. It's starting to crystallize on my car. It really is too cold for this shit. I'm gonna fire this up, at least I could do, and I got some twist wire here. I don't think I need this, so I'm gonna save that for later just in case. Initially I was gonna bolt it in, but after addressing the situation, you know, I don't panic. It was not as much. I train not to panic, so it kind of helps. I have a mechanic background and everything else, and I worked on computer weapon systems in the military, 45 kilo hook. So that's the whole adapt and overcome thing. And like I said, I was high school for mechanics, so, but nonetheless, it's still hella frustrating. I mean, really. Oh yeah, only thing that happened was that, and I did this with a Coke bottle with some tape. Hey, it's an LED light. It's kind of expensive. It's good enough for now. It's functionable. I get the old man some food, and we turn this car on. Oh god, I can really do without this freaking ice and snow. Ooh. Okay, I don't know about the flash just went out on my phone, but that's cool. I don't need a flash anyway, got this big ass light with my backup keys over here. And I'll fire this bad boy up. Excuse me. I burped, I had a cup of soup.